contest is scheduled for one fall. Approaching the ring from Dallas, Texas, the Maniac. And her opponent from Birmingham, Alabama, the Disaster.
So this is a one-on-one match. Remember what's at stake here. Oh, look out! Dangerous submission hold here. How much punishment can he absorb? If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars. Oh! Oh, wow. Ah, look at this. Sooner or later, you have to believe the steel cage is going to come into play. Absolutely. It's just a matter of time. And whoever uses the cage first will have the advantage. Skull rattling. Oh, man! Ah! The excitement in the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest. That'll do some damage. Oh! That'll get you some attention. These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat. Ooh, that one stung. Oh, what a shot! Now with complete control. The object when fighting in one of these types of matches is to stay as healthy as possible, as long as possible. Because everybody's going to see the trainer after this one. Oh, mama! Oh. And there's the elbow. Oh, she does it again! What a night we're having on SmackDown! What a nasty elbow. And the Disaster nails it! Uh-oh, it might be time to run! The Disaster wins!
Here's your winner, the Disaster.
We may need some help out here. This doesn't look good. I don't think I've ever seen a beating like that.